there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Nakia wig from the Rene of Paris lines, and this is in the color Milk Tea LR. I've seen a lot of folks showcase this wig in this color, and I had to join them. Before I get ahead of myself, I would like to let you know that your vote matters here in CysterWigsverse, so make sure you give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down on the content so we know what you would like to see more or less of in the future. And if you would like to support us without spending a dime, all you have to do is hit that little subscribe button, and that way you don't miss any of our content in the future, and that way we can send you announcements and all kinds of updates and yes, more wig reviews when the time comes. My initial impressions of this wig is I love it. I love this wig. I love this wig. I think it is probably one of the prettiest standard cap wigs that I've seen in a long time. It has a really nice, thick, full bang fringe, if you will. It's a nice length. I like the subtle curl. It's really soft. It's more like a wave. It's not super kinky. It's pretty easy to get the most out of. The fiber, strangely enough, usually Rene of Paris fibers feel very silky to the touch. It feels a little bit on the drier side, honestly. This feels almost like it's an Aesthetica wig, but I'm okay with that because it makes it less shiny. Even with all this intense light on it, it's not as shiny as it would be if this were a normal Rene of Paris wig. It does have permatease on top, but not a lot. It's a very light amount and just kind of obscures the tracks on top of the wig because there's no monofilament at all in this style. And because this is a Rene of Paris high fashion wig, the fit is really nice and stretchy. The coverage is good. I've shaved my sideburns and you can kind of see how that kind of covers the whole thing. Really, really good coverage. You definitely want to make sure that the bangs are down or swept off to the side, but you definitely don't want to style this one off the face. So let me show you what the interior of the cap looks like. Let's take a look at Nakia, or Nakia, or Nakia, however you pronounce this name. Very basic cap construction on this Rene of Paris wig. The way that the top of this cap is constructed is not unlike our Ambrose wig, where all of the hair is sort of swirled on top. This is a really inexpensive cap construction compared to most of the higher end stuff that we carry here. And it all sort of swirls around this bump of permatease right at the top of the wig. It's not quite the crown, it's towards the front area, in front of the crown. So here's the crown. Here is where that permatease lives. Now there is also permatease all around it too. This has felt on the ear tabs as well as a little bit of metal. There is elastic back here that adjusts a bit like a bra strap. We have an extended felt nape and quite a bit of give in this particular wig will definitely fit the big-headed tribe. Nakia, nape. I'm gonna stick with Nakia. Nakia. I don't know. It's a cute wig though. If I were giving this a 0 to 10 rating, with 10 being the best and 0 being the dumpster fire, I would give this like a 9.5. I really, really like this one a lot. And the only reason I can't go full on 10 is just because I'm a monofilament snob and I really like high-end cap features. Nakia? Yeah, you pick the name and it will work just fine. Just make sure you spell it like this when you go to my wig store and you type it into the search bar. So this is Nakia, and my wig store is www.cysterwigs.com, CysterWigs. Before I end, I'd like to spend a moment to express my gratitude to everybody watching this video. I would like to thank everybody in our Moon Kitty Mix-Up group on Facebook. You're a real fun group to hang out with, and I'm appreciative of you guys every day. Whenever I'm feeling low, I go to Moon Kitty. It's like, oh, people are having fun with the stuff, yeah! And like, it's a party, and it's a great feeling. It's an instant mood booster. Plus, I enjoy all the cat memes. Keep them coming. I can never get enough of cute fuzzy critters. I'd also like to thank my patrons on Patreon. Thank you so much for your contributions to this channel and helping me improve it all the time. I hope you like what I've been doing, and I will continue to try to impress you. So we'll see how that goes, right? Fingers crossed. Also to AKGG, thank you so much for being our #1 patron for many weeks running. We really appreciate you. My husband and I both really enjoyed talking to you. And until next time, have a great night. Oh, before I forget, thank you for watching all of this video. If you got all the way to the end, that's from me to you. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Bye-bye, everybody.